Hello students, once more I am available with the video on differential calculus. The remaining part, this is the last portion of differential calculus. Maybe one more video on differentiation other than this, second last maybe. So this is the 25th number question of exercise 2D. Sin x minus x cos x by x sin x plus cos x. So according to the rule, v square v d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v. Now we have to find out this and this. So let us copy this sin x minus x cos x. Sin x minus x cos x. Now this is sin x d by dx of sin x d by dx of x cos x. This is product form u into v. So minus common x, differentiation of cos x, then cos x outside differentiation of x. So sin x is cos x. After that cos x is minus sin x. Dx cancelled. So this is 1. So after that this cos x is cancelled. So x sin x we are left. Similarly d by dx of x sin x plus cos x. X sin x plus cos x. So this is d by dx of this part and d by dx of this part. After that again uv rule. First function x differentiation of second plus second differentiation of first minus cos x is minus sin x. So minus sin x plus sin x cancels. So this is x cos x. So putting this and this, the value of differentiation from rough work. So I have substituted for sin x minus x cos x. We got x sin x. X sin x this. So x sin x again for this we got x cos x. So x cos x. Now multiply this with this and this. So x square sin x plus x cos x sin x. Again minus x sin x cos x and minus minus becomes plus. So this is plus and both are cancelled. So we are left with, now the rough work is being removed. So we are left with x square sin x square common you can take. Sin, this is sin square x student, sin square x plus cos square x by x sin x plus cos x whole square. So this is x square by x sin x plus cos x whole square. So this is your answer. Now we are going to exercise 2E. 2D is over, u by v format is over, and this is the last exercise based on, this is called function of functions. Function of functions. Based on this. There are many techniques to do this exercise, but the latest technology I am using. So first of all, starting from examples. Examples, this is number 2. Number d by dx of 1 by root a square minus x square. Earlier I have suggested you that d by dx of 1 by root x minus 1 by 2x root x. On the basis of this, if d by dx 1 by root fx, this formula is true only for x. So if fx is available, this is minus 1 by 2 fx root fx into d by dx of fx. Now follow this pattern. This is true for all. So this is called function. Why the name is function of functions? Because a square root, there is a root function, and inside there is a algebraic function. Root and algebraic, both functions makes it functions, function of functions. So this is minus 1 by 2 fx. Fx is this, a square minus x square root a square minus x square into d by dx of which a square minus x square. So this is minus 1 by 2, and when both are multiplied, this will be a square minus x square to the power 3 by 2. When both are multiplied, you know the multiplication technique, a root a. This is a into a half. So this is a to the power 1 plus half. So a to the power 3 by 2. On the basis of this explanation, I have written this 3 by 2. Now the constant is 0 and this is minus 2x. So minus minus becomes plus. So this is 2x by 2a square minus x square to the power 3 by 2. This 2 cancel and we are left with the answer. Now coming for some other problems. Another problem is problem number 6. Or let us take fourth, e to the power root cortex. Fourth number, d by dx of e to the power root cortex. There are triple functions here, function of functions, triple function, exponential function e, trigonometric function and root function. So first of all, know d by dx of ex. This is ex, but d by dx of e to the power fx, this is e to the power fx into d by dx of fx. Now according to this pattern, I am going to adjust this. This is e to the power root cortex into d by dx of, this is your fx is this, so d by dx of root cortex. Now just now I discussed you that d by dx of root x, this is 1 by 2 root x, but d by dx of root of fx, this is 1 by 2 root fx into d by dx of fx. Now adjust this part according to this formula. So this is e to the power cot x root into, now this 1 by 2 root this, 2 root fx, 2 root cot x into d by dx of cot x. Now your last part, this is cot x is well known differentiation. So this is e to the power root cot x by 2 root cot x into, the differentiation of cot x is minus cos x square x. So this is your answer. The answer is over. Now next problem. This is number 6. d by dx of root 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Tan x. So this has to be done by you. 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x. Now you know that d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So d by dx of root fx is equal to 1 by 2 root fx into d by dx of fx. So set this according to this pattern. This is 1 by 2 root this, 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x, and again d by dx of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Now when this is simplified, we get root 1 plus tan x by 2 root 1 minus tan x. Now we are left with u by v form. So follow the u by v form. This is 1 plus tan x whole square. 1 plus tan x into d by dx of 1 minus tan x minus 1 minus tan x and d by dx of 1 plus tan x. So this is as usual, root 1 plus tan x by 2 root 1 minus tan x. After that, this is 1 plus tan x. Now the differentiation of 1 is 0 minus tan x, differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Sec square x minus 1 minus tan x. Again the differentiation of 1 is 0 plus sec square x. Never forget to take sec square x common. 1 plus tan x whole square. Now you are supposed to take sec square x common. So this is root 1 plus tan x by 2 root 1 minus tan x, and sec square x is taken common. So we are left with this, due to this minus, the minus is left, minus 1 minus tan x, minus 1 minus tan x, this or this, due to this minus 1, and this is minus plus tan x by 1 plus tan x whole square. Now this tan x cancel and you are getting the final answer. Just see this sec square x and minus 2. So minus 2 sec square x. This minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 sec square x root 1 plus tan x by 2 root 1 minus tan x. So this is your final answer. Now moving towards another problem. So this is 7th number, sine root sine x plus cos x d by dx of sine root sine x plus cos x. Now the students, this is called function of function, trigonometric function, root function, once more trigonometric function. So you know d by dx of sine x. Sine x is cos x, but d by dx of sine fx. This is called fx. So sine fx is equal to cos fx into d by dx of fx. Now use this. This is cos fx sin x plus cos x into d by dx of the whole is fx sin x plus cos x. So this is cos root sin x plus cos x. Now student, this is according to this formula, root of fx. So 1 by 2 root fx sin x plus cos x. According to this pattern, root of fx, so d by dx of this fx sin x plus cos x. So almost your problem is over. Cos root sin x plus cos x into the by, and this differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and denominator is as usual 2 root sin x plus cos x. This is very urgent and important problem for examination point of view. Now moving towards another problem. This is number 8 number question. Sin 2x cos 3x. Sin 2x d by dx of sin 2x into cos 3x. This is very easy UV form. You can do it. First function sin 2x d by dx of second function cos 3x plus cos 3x d by dx of sin 2x. Now this is sin 2x and differentiation of cos 3x d by dx of cos x minus sin x, but d by dx of cos fx, this is minus sin fx into d by dx of fx. So this long formula is to be used. Cos 3x, this is minus sin 3x, and d by dx of this is called fx, cos fx into d by dx of 3x over plus cos 3x. Now differentiation of sin fx, again sin fx, cos fx. So cos 2x into d by dx of 2x. Now this is minus sin 2x into sin 3x into the differentiation of d by dx of 3x, d by dx of 3x, this is 3 outside, d by dx of x, so this is 3 into 3 plus cos 3x, cos 2x is cos x, this part, this cos 2x as usual, cos 2x. Now differentiation of this 2x, likewise d by dx of 2x is equal to 2. So write here 2. So your problem is done, no need to put the bracket. So this is your final answer, minus 3 sin 2x sin 3x plus 2 cos 3x cos 2x. Now next question. D by dx of e to the power x cos bx plus c. E to the power x cos bx plus c. Again UV form. This is u and this is v. This is problem number 9. So this is first function e to the power x d by dx of second cos bx plus c plus second function cos bx plus c into d by dx of e to the power ax. So this is according to the UV format. So this is e to the power ax. Now the differentiation of cos fx. Cos fx is this minus sin fx. So minus sin fx is bx plus c into d by dx of this. Directly I am going to write this d by dx of ax plus b. I have suggested many times this is simply a. So the d by dx is b simply plus cos bx plus c. Now e to the power ax is e to the power x itself. And d by dx of this ax is a itself. So this is your final answer. Just keep taking e to the power x common. E to the power x common. So minus b sin bx plus c plus a cos bx plus c. So this is your final answer. Now moving towards another problem. So let us see. This is root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x tenth number. D by dx of root 1 plus x by 1 minus x. 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now according to this format, d by dx of fx, this is your fx. So this is 1 by 2 root fx. 1 by 2 root 1 plus x by 1 minus x into d by dx of this fx. Follow the pattern, d by dx of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. After that you know the formula u by v format. So this will go outside 1 minus x by 2 root 1 plus x. Now according to u by v form, this is 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus x d by dx of 1 plus x minus 1 plus x d by dx of 1 minus x. Now you are almost at the stage of getting the final answer. So this is root 1 minus x by 2 root 1 plus x. This is 1 minus x and differentiation of 1 is 0 and x is 1 minus 1 plus x. Differentiation of 1 is again 0 and differentiation of x is 1. So this is 1 minus x square. We are close to the answer now. Root 1 minus x by 2 root 1 plus x. And this is 1 minus x minus 1 minus, due to this minus it becomes plus. So 1 plus x, 1 minus x plus 1 plus x by x cancelled, 1 minus x whole square. So our final answer is 2 times this. 2 times root 1 minus x by 2 root 1 plus x. So 2 cancelled and this is your answer, 1 minus x by root 1 plus x. So we have got the answer. But one thing, this is left 1 minus x whole square also here by this 1 minus x whole square. I have left this into 1 by 1 minus x square whole square. 1 minus x whole square. Another problem, moving towards another problem. So now I am going to move in exercise 2e. This is exercise, main exercise 2e. Now this is, I have discussed most of the problems, students. So 2e, the remaining part will be done later on in the next last video. Thank you very much.